Hi, welcome to R Infotech. So today I come with a video dealing new router how to configure as access point. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like, comment. Thank you. So here we have DIR-825M, the router dealing router with the dual band, and it has a AC1200 high speed router. So it is coming with four antenna with a high signal, very high, and also it will cover the walls, so it can reach more area, and with a high speed, because dual band it will support 2.4 gigahertz and also 5 gigahertz, and it is coming with four port on the back side. There is this is power port, and there is a 4 gigabyte port. It's a gigabyte port which is 100 bar 1000 speed, and it's coming one WPS button and also reset button, and it's coming with a power adapter also, and the patch cord network cable. So I am connecting this one in first floor, because in ground floor I have already main router in the ground floor. So I am connecting this as an access point. I am not using as a main router. So this will work as an access point. So this router, the benefit is there is a multi mode which is supporting multi mode. It's like bridge mode, access point mode, and also router mode, which is gateway mode. So this will support like three modes. Here I am connecting on the first floor. It is already come, there is a wall socket on the first floor which is coming from the ground floor. So on the ground floor side I already connect with the main router. So I'm this D-Link access point, so I will be configuring this from the mobile device. You can see the name on it, D-Link, it's 2027. So this name you can find backside of the router. So backside of the router there is a sticker. Just go to property and make sure which is the default IP. So default IP you can use to access the router configuration. So here it is coming 192.168.0.1. So that is the default IP. You can see backside of the router. So there is admin default password also on backside of the router. So please check. You can check backside of this. Just take a picture on the mobile, then it will be easy for you to find it. When it is asking, you can easily enter the password and this. So just click next. Here this is the three mode you can select. It is which is supporting multi mode. There is one gateway mode and bridge AP. This is, you can use it as an access point. Click next, then you can choose default gateway. It is coming default coming 0.1, so I make it as a 1.1. So this is the default IP for login password, the admin password. You can change that also. You can change the password and then click next. Then here you can change the Wi-Fi name and the password. So there is it's a dual mode, it's a dual band support. So there is 2.4 gigahertz. You can change both name and password. After you enter the password in this one, click finish. So the router will be restarting and the Wi-Fi name will be changed. So you need to select new name. You need to select the new Wi-Fi name and connect again. Okay, and enter the password. If you change the default password, just enter the new password. Otherwise it's a default password which is the backside of the router. And one more thing you need to know, that the first time when you are connecting with the default Wi-Fi name, maybe you cannot, the IP address, the default IP address, default gateway will not take automatically. So you can check backside of the router what is the default IP. Then go to that Wi-Fi setting in your mobile. Then there is option to manual. Select the manual. Then enter the default IP. Okay. If it is router IP is 192.168.0.1, then give the same any IP, and or from 2 to 255 you can give any IP. Then give the default gateway IP also. Then only you can enter to the page, the router page. You can check the status. So these are the ones. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like, comment. Thank you.